Welcome to the Simple Dad TikTok and Instagram Reels tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the 2023 scrolling camera dump video you see on TikTok or Instagram Reels, where you have your photos and videos being shown on screen. So let me show you how to create this video trend on your phone. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Now once you've downloaded Capcut, go back to your TikTok app. You want to go ahead and tap search and you're searching for this account. Test the Simple Dad. Now once you find that account, visit the profile, and here in the profile section, you'll see all the videos that are posted. The one that you're looking for is this one here. And this one will basically show you the template which I've used to create this. Now within that video, you're looking for Capcut Try This Template, which will be just above the username. If for some reason you don't see this button, you can do a search and search for 2023 Rolling Camera Dump. Now this is the video which is using the template, so go ahead and tap on that. And now you'll see this Capcut Try This Template just above the username. So go ahead and tap on that, and then tap on Use Template in Capcut. Now this will open up Capcut and will load up the template. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on Use Template at the bottom right. Go ahead and select videos or photos for this template. So you can choose a maximum of 8 videos or photos, and then tap on Preview. Now this will basically create you the trend video. Go ahead and preview it and make sure you're happy with it. Next, go ahead and tap on Export at the top right, then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now since this is a template, it's already added the sound. You can go ahead and add any text, stickers, any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to create the 2023 scrolling camera dump video you see on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.